Oh wait, Colin's one of the guys in the car.
Oh my god, that's going for me!
That was really scary.
Right, David Bowie. David Bowie.
Oh, what are you doing?
For another round.
I don't know what I'm doing.
Here we
Just
go.
again,
Oh no! Oh no!
Colin, get in the car and try to hit up. Look out, here comes Colin.
Oh jeez!
No! No! Wait! Oh my god! You know.
How are you? Oh, I'm dead. I'm dead. Bye.
David Bowie is on his return.
Colin, you're not allowed to shut the screen. Oh Jesus!
That was really
Oh god. Oh god. You got
What is that?
You had no chance. Even if you jumped, you would have died. You got destroyed.
Oh no!
I overshot the teleporter. I overshot
that's
the
no
teleporter.
fair.
Oh, David Bowie's on his way. Here comes
no.
David Bowie.
Oh, you made it.
Lucky.
David Bowie's on his way back.
Shit, that was so sad.
Cody, we won. Cody, we won.
Yeah!
What?
Did you die?
Yeah.
Colin got negative points. Colin has -1. Why?
What is that?
What is I'm sorry.
What is
Died. Attempt number because I didn't know what attempt I was on.
God!
Yeah. You hit the town and then launched into space.
David Bowie
You
returns.
I
flew!
saw that. I saw
David Bowie
that.
returns.
Oh gosh, dang it.
Oh no! It's me and Cody.
What was that?
Calling all
Hello,
Avengers.
my friends. Hello, my friend. Oh, hello, my friends. I didn't even see him. Did he come? I didn't see him.
He flew over us.
Fell out.
No, 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 no! Not fair.
He's not here yet. He's late to the party.
So, why did your car
Is
just
it
hit the
Ariana?
ground and stop?
Because the wheels are stuck in it. They're like above the car. I just need respawn. What? Okay, I just need respawn. Thank you.
Colin's just sitting there.
What the heck? Move, you piece of crap! I actually hate my life internally. Hey, Colin, do you need some help?
Oh, guys.
What the heck? That like bounced off of you.
This is so funny.
Hey, it's
See
unstuck.
the other
It's
team
not.
over
It's still
there
stuck.
I looked in through my scope and it is pretty funny.
That's what I'm doing.
How many retards does it take to fix a warthog?
I don't know, apparently
Oh,
two.
oh, can you get in it? No, no,
Get it! Get it! Get it! Get it, baby! Get it! Get it! Get it! It's defective. It's my baby. It's my baby. It's my baby. No, don't give it back.
Colin's just chasing it. Colin, why are you going so slow? What are you doing?
He's like, I'm sad now. Oh, no.
Why are you like that? Oh god! Vinny, you
On your baby.
Oh my god!
It's like a flying meteor, just like combusts in the atmosphere and then just it's
Do it.
coming right now.
Colin,
It's
don't do
in the
it.
air.
Colin, don't do it.
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna kill myself.
That's good.
You guys
Round over.
Yay!
Half the time trying to call in stupidity. Stop.
Alright, David Bowie is coming on his way and he's gonna miss.
Oh god, no! What? Okay, good. I was gonna say, are you kidding
That
me?
was so funny. I don't even know what just happened.
Immobile warthogs for all those people. Okay.
No,
For all those
retarded
people that
mechanics.
can't drive.
Yeah.
For all those people who are like the
Mobile warthogs everywhere.
Like at the beginning of, like at the beginning of
I'm sorry.
Cody, you look down to your side and I just
I got
like
so
no
distracted.
no regards.
I got so distracted by
no.
I got so distracted by the retard that
Oh my god.
What's the acronym again?
disabled warthog. Disabled warthog. DWH.
Okay. One second, I'll be down there in 1 second.
I got him! Oh my
I
god.
got it. I got this. Guys, I don't know what's going on. I need it.
30 seconds.
Dang it, I didn't mean to go through.
I don't even know. It's
Oh wait, someone's calling. I'm going to
Just jumped. God, you made it so far.
Wait, where'd he go?
Oh.
That was really scary. I didn't see. I didn't see it the whole time.
Oh, there he is.
coming at me.
Okay, Colin.
An add-on to the car.
Oh, it's like a decal.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is retard.
No way.
I got him!
No
I got him! What? What?
I couldn't kill him either, that was so stupid.
I jumped behind the barrier and killed
Wait, did he kill all of us?
I
Oh my god.
Okay, let's go fuck it. Give it a second, he's restroom.
Oh, you're freaking.
Oh my, I'm gonna go get something to eat. Well, holy crap, that was funny.
That was great.